Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can log in to your credit card account of the Capital One Bank from your PC. So first, you're going to open your preferred web browser, and on the address bar or the search bar, you got to type in Capital One credit card login. And now you'll see a lot of links. So you're going to click on the first link that you see without the Capital One logo, but it is from the Capital One website. So you're going to click on it. So once the page loads, you'll be greeted with this page. Now you'll put your username here and your password here. Now, and then you're going to click on sign in. So after the sign in process, maybe you'll ask for authentications and other stuff. Once you clear those, you'll be in your main page of your account. There you can see how much credit you have accumulated over the week or over the month or over a certain period of time. Then you can actually make the payment or schedule the payment and other stuff. If this content helped you, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.